So in this class we are going to discuss about test design techniques and what are the use of test design techniques and what kinds of test design techniques are there. Okay, so all those things we are going to discuss in this class. Basically these test design techniques are used to get the most of the test cases, most important and most required test cases from many possible test cases. Okay, so it is to select the good set of tests from the total number of all possible tests for a given system. There are many different types of software testing techniques available, and each will be having its own strength and weakness. That's what it is talking here. And each individual technique is good at finding particular types of defect and relatively poor at finding other types. Is nothing but if you use a test design technique, okay, it will be good at finding in one area. It is good at finding the test cases in one area, and it will be poor in finding test cases in other area. Okay, that's what it is talking about. So for that, let's take an example. If you see, boundary value analysis is good at finding defects at boundaries than defects associated with combination of inputs. Okay, and basically there are two main categories of test design techniques. One is static techniques and the other one is dynamic techniques.